walking down on Melrose. You look like an angel, straight out of heaven, girl. I was blown away by Briana Marie. The cut crease cream, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
What's up, guys? It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another Liddy tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be a series, y'all. Outfits that influencers made me buy. This is from Myoutfitonline, and this is the first outfit. This is the hourglass mini dress, the bandage dress, and this is in the shade yellow, y'all. I really love this. When I put it on, I thought it wasn't gonna look like this, but honestly, it's giving snatched in the waist, and then I am seeing my curves because y'all know I gained some weight. But it's definitely giving snatch. I really like this dress. I could see me wearing this on a date night. I rarely even go on date nights, but I can see me wearing this on a date night. I see this with some. I got some heels paired with it. I don't know if y'all can see. Nah, I can't. I don't know if I go back, y'all can see. I got these shoes on, y'all. These are like these bow heels. And I also bought a watch that she advertises all the time. So first off, let me get into the watch. This is the JBW Cristal 39 watch with the bracelet to match. I don't know the exact name of the bracelet, but I will definitely leave in the description bar below because it matches the watch, and it's actually two-tone, so it's gold and silver. I didn't know if I wanted gold or silver, so I was like, you know what, let me just get both of the colors on one watch. And this is Cristal 39. So I think she has a code as well to get, like, I think it's 25 or 30% off. I will leave her code in the description right below so y'all can see. Y'all gonna know I'm short. So I got these shoes with this on. It's actually not what I would pair with this, because I think I would honestly pair some strap up heels with these because of it being so mini. I feel like strap up heels or cute what are those? I call those spatula shoes will look so nice with this. I honestly feel like spatula shoes or strap up heels will look perfect with this, with a cute bag. Like I could do blue with this, I could do blue and yellow, blue and orange. Like I feel like I can add a pop of color to this, and not keep it so strictly silver or gold. I definitely can see me doing a Teflon bag, like a small one, and the perfect heel to match it whenever Bangle give me a Teflon bag, because I've been asking. Well, yeah, it do. So yeah, I really love this outfit. Let me show y'all the back. I did do a little clip where I'm showing you all how it looks, but this is the back of it. It's definitely giving very much body. So cute. The back rows, don't mind those, but I love it though. It's so cute. It's definitely showing booty. I feel like it's doing a really good job by hiding my stomach and also insinuating, however you say it, making my waist smaller. Okay, that's what I said, but I want to know for sure. You don't sound for sure about it.
Right, so that's because I don't want to be false info, but it does sound correct.
Oh, okay. Color block this with a color or anything like that. Okay, on to the next outfit so I can show y'all how it look. This is number 2, outfit number 2. This is a 2-piece set. We have these these are like boxers to me, boxers and a tank. These a half top, so we have a half top and boxer shorts. This is how it looks. In the back is this cute design where it's 2-piece. I feel like I should have got a size up from this. This is a size large. I know that for a fact. This is size large. I should have got an extra large. It's crazy. Cause when I was eating, it's just like my butt got big too. This is a large. And I should have got an extra large instead of a large. But this is cute though. This is giving me like lounge wear. Like I could sit in the house and wear this after I did a cute makeup look or something. Okay, y'all, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave the name of each outfit down below as I enter with a new outfit on. But it's only 3, so this is it. Really nothing much to say about this besides the fact that I feel like I needed a size up from this size that I got. And I also will leave a size on, well, next to the name as I enter. Outfit number 3. Oh my god, y'all, this is like my favorite outfit. I feel like this one is it. At first I was having trouble with kind of tying this together, but honestly I figured it out at the end. I feel like it didn't hold my titties in, but that's because I had to twist it in order to get it like this. I haven't seen this clothes in a minute, so I wouldn't know exactly what the dress would have looked like. I was just like, okay, yeah, let me tie it this way. But yeah, this is the dress right here. I love this design right here. It is super cute. You already know my nipples. I don't like my nipples, so this actually holds my nipples in. You can't really see, well, you can't see them because most of the time they actually peekaboo out, so that's a good thing. Right here, it actually holds me in, so I like that about this dress. It's a mini dress. So I feel like how mini dresses work sometimes, it always rises up. This one, I feel like if I walk a certain way, it won't rise up to where like you could see like panties, or baby, I won't have no panties on, okay? You can't see my crack, so so yeah, I like that about this dress, that it stays in place. Most mini dresses do rise up. I like how the back is out, but it covers most of my rows. Lift it up some. It covers most of my rows. Excuse my hair in the back. Hey y'all, this is the outfit. This is like one of my favorite ones. So it's giving body. Ooh, I like it. But the other one though, I don't know. The first one was giving body too though. So I don't know. Let me know if y'all want me to try more outfits from this place. It's Myoutfitonline. They need to sponsor me whole time. And then I paired some heels with this. I paired these, I'm gonna take them off so y'all can see. I paired these with this only because it matches the silver watch and then the silver earrings that I had in my ear. So I just paired this with this. Doesn't mean that I'm gonna wear it with it, because some of y'all be like, I don't like y'all, I don't like your style, so, or whatever. I'm just trying to show y'all some shoes that might go with the outfit. But I feel like, my personal opinion with this outfit, I would definitely pair it with a pointy toe, because I feel like this right here, it's giving all that it needs to give. All you need is a cute shoe, a cute clutch. I don't even think I would do a colored clutch. I would probably keep it at the silver, or I don't know, I probably would do green. I actually would do green, like a green clutch. I really like this. This is like my favorite. It's this right here for me. In the back. I'm definitely ordering more from here. This is lookbook 1 of outfits that influencers made me buy. I have more than that. I will also list the ones that I wore at the end of this video so that y'all can see what else I got from Myoutfitonline. But yeah, y'all, let me know if y'all like these outfits, and let me know if y'all want me to keep the series going. Comment down below which outfit out of the 3 that you like, and let me know if you have ever ordered anything from them. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.